and welcome to CJL Aviation. Welcome to my first ever unboxing video. Alright, so today we will be unboxing the WestJet Boeing 767-300ER. Alright, let's take a look inside. Alright, as you can see, the aircraft is in there. Alright, and here's just some information. If you want to read that, you can pause the video real quick. Alright, let's look at the sides. Boeing 767, adult collectible model, 1/400 scale die-cast model, highly collectible, superior quality, realistic metal landing gear, detailed printed graphics, as real as it gets features. Alright, and then just Boeing 767-300ER once again. Alright, and here's a view of the back. Alright, now let's get this thing opened. Alright, so I'm going to open it up now. Let's see if I can do it one-handed while I hold the camera. Alright, there we go. Alright, we'll just put the box to the side for now. Alright, let's remove the plastic. You just push on these little corners and there it goes. Pops right on off. There we go. Oh, there goes the plastic wrapping. Let's move that to the side. Alright, and here's our first look at the 767. Move that to the side. Alright, let's just take a moment to bask in all its glory. Look at that. It has like, it's not the new WestJet logo, but the one that they did right before the new logo. Looks really nice. Look at those winglets there. Beautiful. And then the tail looks nice. The tail number is CFOGJ. And then proudly Canada, Boeing 767-300ER. Alright, now we're going to go ahead and take a look at the bottom of the plane. Let's just lift it up, flip it over. Alright, you can see the GeminiJets logo right there. Perfect. And look at those landing gear. They look nice and they roll quite smoothly. I'll show you that in a second. You can see the engines and all the markings on the belly of the plane. And then you can see the tail number once again underneath the wing. Alright, and I'll show you guys the airplane rolling right now. Alright. It rolls quite smoothly actually. It's pretty nice. Alright, and also on the top of the plane, there are these little antenna type things that stick up. And that's a nice little detail that they added. And you can also see the little markings on top for like satellite transmitters and stuff like that. Alright, here's a nice front view of the aircraft. You can see the nose. Take a look at those engines closer. Really nice high quality die-cast steel. Alright guys, now I'm just going to give you some nice shots of the aircraft so you can get a better look at it. And go ahead and enjoy those photos. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed those pictures and videos. I would highly recommend buying the GeminiJets WestJet Boeing 767-300ER. It is very high quality die-cast steel rolling wheels. Thank you guys for watching today. I hope you enjoyed. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Have a great rest of your day.